in New Jersey, a simple way to show support for healthcare workers is going a long way. Chris.
Yeah, Mary, I met up with an Army Ranger who is taking this tribute to the next level. It was an idea that he hatched. He basically put it out on a Facebook page. It took off, and now you can't drive down the street here in Bergen County without seeing this tribute to our healthcare workers. Here's a report I filed yesterday. Many of you have been asking, what can we do to show our frontline workers that we owe them a tremendous debt of gratitude? Well, in Bergen County, it may be as easy as tying a blue ribbon around an old oak tree, or any tree for that matter.
When I was in the Army and I was deployed, I remembered I was thinking my family had the yellow ribbons that they tied around the trees in our neighborhood to basically just to show support. And I just kind of thought maybe we should do something like that.
Glen Rock resident Jamie Egan knows a battle when he sees one. An Army Ranger who served 2 tours in Iraq. When he speaks, or in this case posts, people listen, like, share, and act.
Glen Rock is where I grew up, and so I know that Glen Rock is such a phenomenal town with a great sense of community, and there's a lot of towns like that out there. And so I guess I'm not that surprised that there's good people out there trying to show their appreciation.
The message could not be more clear. A visual reminder popping up on every block. A blue ribbon to match blue scrubs.
I hang my blue ribbon to honor our heroes and healthcare workers who put themselves in harm's way for us every day.
We have their back. We're thinking about them and praying for them. You know, in the absence of our ability to do anything like they're doing and getting out there and helping, we just want them to know that we're really grateful, you know, and that we keep them in our thoughts and prayers, you know, for putting themselves at risk every day.
Jamie's brother Dan is an emergency room physician in Manhattan. Jamie knows the perils of being on the front lines. Like many of America's best, he's too modest to take full credit for this blue ribbon movement, but many can't thank him enough.
I just want to tell you how appreciative myself and all of the healthcare workers are for your efforts to plaster the town with these blue ribbons. It means more to us than you would even know.
Thank you so much for being selfless. I think the world is watching, and we are in tremendous gratitude.
Yeah, Jamie is your typical Army Ranger, Mary, just so modest. You know, he put this post out there. It's been shared thousands of times, and all around Bergen County, these blue ribbons are everywhere. But it's so funny. So many people write on his post to thank him for this. And he's like, hey, don't thank me. We need to thank them. But it's a great gesture, and just another one of the countless stories we hear of people trying to do something to show our healthcare workers we love you, we care for you, and we are so thankful for you.
And it's one of those that we hope catches on around the country, really showing tribute for those who are doing so much at this time. Chris, wow, what a story. Thank you so much for bringing that to us. We really appreciate that, and all of our healthcare workers today.